It is easiest if you pre-measure everything before having your toddler get involved. It is also helpful if you cut up the Snickers beforehand. Don't forget to preheat the oven to 350.
Hi, this is my little helper, Mary Jean. And we're going to start out by washing our hands so we can bake with Grandma, huh?
Yeah, I keep it down.
You ready to wash your hands?
I'm doing new popcorn.
Don't forget to have your toddler wash their hands before and after touching food.
Okay. We're going to bake?
Yep.
You ready to stir some stuff?
Yep.
All right.
Listed below in the description, we will have all the ingredients, but for starting out, you will need 1 cup of peanut butter.
Look at all that peanut butter, huh?
Paper.
Yeah, yummy, huh? You kind of get it all out. So it's yummy. And then we'll add in the sugars. You want to pour in the sugars for Grandma?
Yep.
Good job. Okay, one more. This is 1 cup of granule sugar and 1 cup of packed brown sugar, which I already had measured out. And then we're going to add in 1 cup of softened butter. And then we will stir it until it's all blended and soft and fluffy. You gonna do this one too, or you want Grandma to do it? Oh. Shake it out. Okay, now we go back to stirring. You get it all mixed together. Should we get you a spoon here? That'll work better, huh? Should we mix it with that?
Yep.
All right, perfect. All right, should we show them? Show Mama? Oh, look at that. All creamy, but we don't want to get in there though.
Egg.
Okay, we need eggs?
Yep.
Okay, so now we've mixed everything really good and it's all nice and creamy. So now we're gonna add eggs.
Eggs.
2 eggs, huh?
Okay.
Whoop. All right, let's stick that over here. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So hold on 1 second.
Oh,
Grandma, get it into the spoon first.
I can help.
You can help. Now you can dump it. Good job. Can we do one more?
Yep.
Let Grandma help hold it with you. Good job. Awesome. Yep. Right. Gently stir. Good job. You're doing an excellent job. I try to let the kids do as much as they can by me pouring it into there and just steadying their hand, and then they get to dump it. This way they're taking part in it and learning at the same time on how to cook and that it can be fun.
Yes.
Stir this first. Stir this first. Baking. We are going to do 1 teaspoon. And I use the little lip there to level it. And we're going to put that into this here. Right here. Oh, right here. Dip, 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 and okay, so we're just going to use any flat thing here to the edge of the spoon. And we're going to dump it into here. You want to have your toddlers help as much as possible, so anywhere that spilling, dumping, and a little stirring, can you stir? Stir. Stir it. Can you use that? Here. Go like this and stir. Can you? Oh, you got it all over your fingers. Okay, so you want to stir? Yep. So let them stir, let them spill it in. Okay, give that one to Grandma. Now we're going to, can you help Grandma? Gentle pour a little bit. Okay, and then set to the side. And then we stir.
Okay.
You gonna stir?
Mama. I good.
Can Grandma help you too?
Yep.
Can we both stir it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you miss it, Mommy?
Be sure to have your toddler touch the batter. This is great for motor skills and sensory.
So Papa doesn't see it. Okay. Next one. Should we grab a hunk of, just like Play-Doh, huh?
Mama.
Okay. Can you cover it up?
Okay.
Hide the cookie. Hide the cookie. Hide the candy bar. Squish it around. Just do the fine touching so Papa doesn't see the little Snicker bar in there. Squish it down in there. Hide it. Can you hide it? Cover it up. See, Grandma? Grandma's gonna squish it in there, and then we got cover it up, hide it like a blanket. We're gonna hide it under the blanket. Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes.
Ooh,
Wow.
yummy. Does that look good? Ooh, look at that. All the caramel stretching. Okay, cheers. Cheers. Mmm.